In this episode, you'll learn how to find, browse, and add nodes inside Spaces. We'll explore how the Add Node panel is organized, how different types of nodes are grouped, and how to quickly find the one you need before you start building. You can open it by clicking the Add Node button on the left side of the canvas. This is where you browse and add nodes to your workflow. The same menu also appears if you right-click anywhere on the canvas itself. Both actions open the same node panel, so you don't always need to return to the sidebar. At the top, you'll find a search bar. This lets you find a node directly by name, which becomes especially useful as the list grows. Just below that are the category icons that organize the panel. These icons act as filters, allowing you to quickly switch between different groups of nodes. By default, the panel opens on all. This view shows every available node in one place. You can scroll through the list to explore everything that's available. To make that easier, the nodes in this view are also grouped into sections. The first of those sections is Basics. This section brings together some of the most common nodes used to start a workflow. Here you'll find options like Text, Image Generator, Video Generator, Assistant, Image Upscaler, and List. Below that you'll find Media. This category focuses on adding existing content to your workflow. Upload lets you import your own files directly from your device. Assets lets you access media from your history or previously uploaded files. Here you can browse images and videos you've worked with before and reuse them in your workflow. And Stock lets you search and add content from the stock library without leaving Spaces. Next is References. Here you'll find Add Reference. When you open it, a reference window appears with different ways to guide your workflow. You can choose from options like Style, Character, Element, Structure, Effects, Camera, and Color Palette. So this section is not only for bringing in media, it also lets you add visual direction, composition, lighting, color, and other reference types that help shape the result in later nodes. The image category includes nodes used to create and modify images. Here you'll find tools like Image Generator, Image Upscaler, Image Editor, Variations, Designer, and SVG-related tools. The video category focuses on motion content. This is where you'll find nodes like Video Generator, Speak, Video Combiner, Video Upscaler, and Media Extractor. Next comes Audio. This section brings together nodes related to sound. Here you'll find VoiceOver, Sound Effects, and Music Generator. The Text category includes the Text node and the Assistant node. The Text node lets you add written content directly into the canvas, which can be useful for organizing your workflow or adding context to different parts of a project. You'll also find the Assistant node, which lets you interact using natural language and choose different models to generate prompts or develop ideas. Finally, there's Utilities. This section includes supporting nodes like List, Sticky Notes, Stickers, Group, and other utility tools. Instead, they help you structure, annotate, and organize workflows more clearly inside the canvas. So the overall logic of the panel is simple. All shows the complete list, and the category icons let you jump directly to the type of node you need. If you already know exactly what you're looking for, you don't need to browse through the categories at all. You can simply use the search bar at the top and type the name of a node directly. It's worth keeping in mind that new nodes may appear here over time. Spaces is constantly expanding as new tools are introduced. And that's how the Add Node panel works. It gives you a structured way to find the right node, understand where it lives, and add it to the canvas. In the next episode, we'll take the next step and look at what a node actually is and how nodes begin to connect inside a workflow. See you there.